Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Millionaire. Today I'm going to talk about ticker Filecoin, FIL ticker. Talk about the tokenomics of it, why I believe it's a fantastic investment. It's a solid company, and at the current prices, it's really a great buy-in. So I like to really delve right into it. So if you like this video, guys, as usual, please hit the thumbs up button. Really, I need the thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm, so I really appreciate all your thumbs up and support. So if you can please subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. So without further ado, guys, I'd like to get right into it and talk about the tokenomics of Filecoin. Filecoin today, ticker is FIL, currently trading at $72.17, or cents, should I say. It's on 131,538 watch list on CoinMarketCap, and it's up 5.92%, 24 hours. Filecoin is currently at an amazing discount. Just a couple, I mean, obviously the whole crypto market is very much on a downtrend right now. However, it's starting to recover. But at these prices, I really do believe that you guys should consider investing. Now, it's not financial advice, guys, but I like to bring this to your attention because Filecoin is a solid coin with fantastic fundamentals and backed by many venture capitalists as well. So let's talk about the tokenomics of Filecoin before going into the charts as well. So let's go down and have a look. Currently priced at $72.24, as stated earlier. Price change within the last 24 hours is $3.97. So as you can see, it's moving up. Just the last 24 hours, it was trading at $67. Also, I like to say the tokenomics of Filecoin are very favourable because it has a very low supply, and I'm going to delve right into it. So let's have a look. Yesterday's volumes literally over 1.5 billion, so a lot of trading going on here. And if you have a look, the 7-day low was all-time, well, 7-day low is $55.42, and the 30-day high was $167.27, but the all-time high, which wasn't too long ago, guys, it was $237. So it just shows you how fast Filecoin can move, and that's mainly due to the like I said already, it's due to the amount of tokens they have. It should state the circulation supply is literally 73 million. So if you can take that into perspective, and 73 million is very low in terms of supply, and that is pretty much the max supply of Filecoin as far as I can see on CoinMarketCap. Now the all-time low was $1.83. That was 2 years ago. Now whoever bought in then is obviously really up, and it wasn't the 52-week low was the 2020 market crash. That was during the pandemic period. It was only trading at $5.08. So if you take that all into perspective, it's a fantastic investment to be made. Now I can't really give you solid financial advice now in terms of what time to invest. Now all I can do is bring this token to your attention because I really need to talk about the project and what they're building and the backing of Filecoin. Filecoin generally launched in 2017, and since launching it had phenomenal VC backing. It also has the Winklevoss brothers, which are really well known in the crypto world, who are invested very heavily in Filecoin as well. That's another reason why you guys should add this to your portfolio. I also like to add, talking about the project and exactly what they're about. So let's have an understanding what is Filecoin and what's the ticker FIL all about? Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. The project raised 205 million in the initial coin offering ICO in 2017 and initially planned a launch date for mid-2019. However, the launch date for Filecoin mainnet was pushed back until block 148.888, which is expected to be mid-October 2020. So the project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the implementary file system, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol and backed by a blockchain that records commitments made by the network's participants, with transactions made using FIL, the blockchain's native currency. The blockchain is based on both proof of replication and proof of space-time. What are the founders? Who are the founders, of Filecoin? Filecoin was founded by Joanne Bennett, who also created the interplanetary file system. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he attended Y Combinator, which is very famous, guys, in the summer of 2014, with the intention of supporting both IPFS and Filecoin, as well as other projects. What makes Filecoin unique? Filecoin aims to store data in a decentralized manner. Unlike cloud storage, companies like Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare, which are prone to the problems of centralization, Filecoin leverages its decentralized nature to protect the integrity of data locations, making it easily retrievable and hard to censor. So just taking that into perspective, you need to understand that they're competing with Amazon, and so Amazon is a centralized version of what they obviously do, and Filecoin is a decentralized version of that. They should put that into perspective. You can just see Filecoin being a potential buyout from Amazon in the future, should Filecoin's market cap, reach the billions and so on. And it's already in the billions, but should it reach many billions, and who knows, it could even go into the $1 trillion market cap, because at the end of the day, the Filecoin supply is very favourable, and I will show you what I mean by that in a second. Decentralized storage system like Filecoin allow people to be their own custodian of their data. That's really important in a world there where privacy is really important. People who have access to data and where your data is shared and stored, and having a decentralized version of your data, and the fact that you can control your own data, is something that really would interest large corporations, and anyone who really cares about owning and having access to their own data, as well as makes the web more accessible to the people worldwide. Since participating in the Filecoin network by mining and storing is directly related to the winning more block rewards, Filecoin incentivizes participants to act honestly and store as much data as possible. So basically they have a system which there is a mining system in place to make sure that it's all the file is stored in an honest and transparent way. So it goes on to say many more things which you guys should definitely read in your spare time, but just going into the actual Filecoin itself, and how secure it is. The Filecoin is secured through a proof of replication and a proof of space-time. In the Filecoin network, nodes that are also known as retrievable miners are in competition to serve clients with data as quickly as they can. They are then rewarded with file fees, which are encouraged a network of nodes that want to replicate and preserve files. Storage miners nodes are constantly competing for contracts to provide storage to clients to a specific length of time. When a storage miner and their client agree on a deal, the storage miner holds the client's data in a sector and seals it to increase a unique copy of that sector and data. The storage miners are rewarded with FIL by clients as the deal fees, and these miners can also mine blocks and receive a block reward. There's more to read. There's fantastic information there. And the reason is a really established token, yeah, and the founders as well. It's very public. You need to also understand that Winklevoss brothers are big investors in this token, yeah, and wherever they invest is generally a really positive reflection of the company and the future and the vision. So this company is here to stay. It's a very solid coin. And at current prices, it's something to consider to add to your portfolio if you haven't already got in earlier at the lower prices of 2020. So you can obviously buy it on Gemini, like I've already said, and Kraken, Huobi, and you can obviously buy it on many other marketplaces, exchanges like Binance and so on. I mean, Filecoin is really accessible on all exchanges. It's been around for a while, and it's one that wouldn't really go away, I'm pretty sure. So I'd like to go up and talk about the current token and the supply, if I may. So let's have a look. Where are we? Here we are. So here we are. So the circulating supply is 73 million. Okay, that's just over 73,727,000. So that in itself, the supply and demand model is very much in play here. Okay, the tokenomics, obviously the reason Filecoin went from I'll show you right now. Look at the return, 529.58. It was a lot more because 3,849.81% return from 2019 if you had bought. But if you just bought in 2020 at $5, literally, it went all the way up to $237. Okay, so that wasn't too long ago, guys. It's literally about a month and a half ago. It was at its all-time high. Okay, so that was in April. Okay, so literally last month. So what I'm trying to explain to you is that due to the circulating supply, and you don't always get a great company with a small circulating supply, as well as a great fundamental altcoin with solid backing. Okay, 2017 ICO, like I read earlier on, you had literally many venture capitalists back in this particular protocol and the company and what their vision is. And you need to understand, like I said earlier, is potentially, even that they're all against, well, they haven't come out as saying they're against Amazon, but they are competing in the same sector in a decentralized manner. And what I'm thinking is, in the future, who knows, Amazon may buy out Filecoin. It's a possibility, and it's something to think of. And Filecoin really ought to be trading at above $1,000 right now, generally speaking, due to the circulating supply and so on. It's a solid project. It's something to really consider. Okay, you can also check the website out. I'll show you now. It's a lovely website. It's really professional. It has everything that you would expect for it to have, all the information, and I would urge you guys to definitely check it out. And I just wanted to generally bring Filecoin to your attention, because at today's prices, I do believe it's a fantastic opportunity to add to anyone's portfolio. Just a month ago, it was trading at $237. People didn't expect it to be trading that high, and since then, obviously, it's been a downtrend, and it was not too long ago above $100 anyways. Obviously there's been a major market downfall within the last couple of days and weeks, and that's what's caused the price to go back down to 72. But end of the day, it was at 55 just a few days ago, and it's already on its way up. So I would recommend for my members and subscribers to please consider Filecoin to add to your portfolio at this particular point in the market, when the Bitcoin price is obviously low, it's not strong, but it's recovering. There is amazing buys to be taken into consideration, and Filecoin is one that I would strongly recommend that you add to your portfolio. Now, this isn't financial advice, guys. I understand that you need to do your own due diligence and do your own research, and I do urge you to do that. But Filecoin has been around since 2017. Okay, it's a solid project, and I would really consider this as a good buy-in, as an intermediary buy-in right now. And if it does go any lower, just dollar cost average, and you can't really go wrong with this particular coin. It's backed by very powerful people, and I do believe it has a long way to go, and what they're building is very powerful as well. So yeah, so that's the video today. I'd like to bring Filecoin to your attention, so I hope you like this video. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up button. Do make some comments regarding Filecoin, if you're hodling or if you're holding, or what you're doing right now. You know, with the market dip at the moment, are you considering buying more, or are you thinking it may go more down? I don't know. Just drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon. So without further ado, guys, I'll catch you next time until the next video. Bye bye.